Google just dropped a massive update for university students and it is completely free. They are giving away a full 1-year plan of cost a fortune. Let's go to laptop screen for method.
Get Google AI Plus free for an entire year. Head to the student offer page and click Get Student Offer. Hit Continue to verify your student status with SheerID. Select your country and search for your college or university. Enter your full name, date of birth, and email address, then click Verify Student Status. Next, upload proof of enrollment, like your student ID card or tuition receipt, and hit Submit. Your document is being reviewed. This usually takes just a few minutes. Now check your Gmail inbox for the confirmation email to activate your free Google AI Plus subscription. Later on, you will just add your any credit or debit card and boom, your plan will be activated. If you face any problem, just comment us, we will assist you.